What's going on, YouTube? So today I'm just going to be doing a review and showing you how this decals wheel overlays came out. They're from Haru Creative for the 3rd gen Tacoma TRD off-road wheels. So I'll show you what I did, but yeah, it's pretty. After doing like 12 of them, this U spokes, this ones, you start getting it. Pretty much what you want to do, you want to start with the lining this part up, making sure it's perfect. Once everything lines up with the silver part, you will need to grab this corner and stretch it just a little bit to make it perfect. Otherwise you'll have a big gap, and I'll show you how mine came out. Alright guys, so this is how it came out. Let me start with the front, because in the front that's where I started. I think it came out alright. As you can see, there's some creases and stuff. It came out pretty good. I started applying heat with the heat torch to get these corners to actually go against the paint and stick on, and then I just a quick pass. Here I tried kind of the same stuff, but some of them have bigger gaps, because of what I was trying to do. I was trying to pretty much stretch it by applying heat with a torch gun, but you know what, it's better if you don't apply it. So this was like my torch trial run. On the passenger side, I was like, you know what, let me just stick them on, and I just stretched it in the corner as I mentioned at the beginning of the video. As you can see, it's much better. I still use the heat gun a little bit to heat it up and make those corners stay glued to the wheel, because otherwise they'll lift up. I gotta say, they're not bad. So here's the front, the last one that I did. This, I gotta say, it came out almost perfect. Oh yeah, on the other side that I showed you where it had kind of a gap, I had actually stretched it a little bit when I heated it up too much, and there was a big gap on the other side. So I ended up replacing it. So it comes with 28 of these U-shape stickers. So I have 3 left, because I ended up replacing one of them, and that I didn't like. I might replace the other one that had the gap. It all depends. I might end up replacing this one, because this one's the ugliest one so far left on the truck. But yeah, this is pretty much how it looks. It actually changes the look a lot. This for now, until I decide to, once I put the new wheels on and lift. Alright guys, see you on the next one.